Hello, students. This is a class for BA Part 2 English Literature students. We will be doing Part 2 of this sonnet by William Wordsworth. The world is too much with us. Today, we will be trying to explain the poem line by line. I will read to you the first stanza. The world is too much with us, late and soon, getting and spending, we lay waste our powers. Little we see in nature that is ours, we have given our hearts away. area have glimpse that would make me less forlorn. So when he would see nature, when he would be in contact with nature, it would make him less forlorn. That is to say, he would feel himself less lonely in the company of nature. And in the last two lines, he gives you examples, analogy, or you can say, uh, he introduces you to two Greek gods, so that if he stands in these natural scenic beauty areas, he would stand there and he might have sight of Proteus. Proteus is actually a sea god who who is considered to be, you can say, वरुण देवता, जैसे अपन बोलते हैं हमारे हिंदू रिलीजन में, द गॉड ऑफ सी. So I might have sight of Proteus rising from the sea, or hear old Triton. Who is Triton? Triton is a sea god who is believed to have upper body as a human being, and the lower part of him is that of a fish, according to Greek mythology. So, and he is considered to be a god, a sea god who controls the waves in the ocean. So, with his wreathed horn is actually the conch shell, that is to say shankh. तो he plays shankh, वो शंख बजाते हैं, and the waves of the sea become calm or agitated according to his blowing. So Proteus and Triton are two Greek mythological gods, and he says that this kind of belief that usually the Greek people would see face to face, one to one with these gods, he says at least he will have an image of these gods, and that will make him less forlorn. So this is the poem, and in this poem the poet wants to make us conscious of the natural beauty which ennobles us, which enriches us, which makes us spiritually rich. And there are no price tag attached on natural beauties, natural providence, which make our life so rich. Thank you. That's all for today. If you have any problem, you can contact me.